Oweyo duond bura nogono mayande osebedo kaka jatelo kuom kinde mokadho. Magara wacho ni koro Oweyo mare duond bura nogono mar UDA en gima ne okawo damono bang' kane oseporo wach to kod jopiny e gwenge mag Kisii kono madwaro ni mondo koro chom yo machielo e yor siasa. Iwacho ni koro nyalo biro donjo e riwruok mano mar Azimio la Umoja mathoth jopiny e gwengego osebedo koro kasiro. Owacho ni koro wechego mago mag UDA chiedhnade moko bende osekadho en achiel kuom gigo bende ma Oweyo ma biro ka ndalo matin kende mano giko juma ma koro okadho. Omingo yande koro nosewachore ni chal ni dwa weyo UDA, kata kamano gin weche manokwero ni ne gin weche mag miriambo.
There have since been developments that render my candidature through UDA party impossible. After considerable reflection and consultations with my people in Kisii County, national leaders, family and friends, my political future and ambitions must be sufficiently addressed, cannot be sufficiently addressed by the UDA party. I therefore immediately resign as a party member and as a treasurer. I continue talking to other political players with a view to finding political suitors that align with my vision for Kenya and that will respect the ethos of inclusivity by crafting a future that weaves a fabric that appreciates every Kenyan's dream and aspirations. As you can imagine, this has been such a heavy decision to make, as we must always allow the voice of people we seek to lead prevail over the above the personal ambitions, and that the voice seeks to be wanting a different direction from a path I'm currently on. The voice of the people is ultimately the voice of God. Finally, let us all be vigilant, for politics comes and goes, but we as a people, as a nation, must remain united to allow us usher in the golden age